Good morning to all of you. Today we solve the some problems of inequality. Now, problem है solve inequality. पहला है x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 ग्रेटर देन 0. सेकंड है x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 4 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. फिफ्थ है y इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 1 लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 greater than equal to 0. Now we cannot divide it in the factor position. It cannot be factorized. It cannot be factorized. It cannot be factorized. It cannot be factorized. So we calculate the indiscriminant. Calculate the indiscriminant. So we calculate the indiscriminant d. D equal to होता है d equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b comparing it ax square plus bx plus c. Comparing this, here a equal to 1, b equal to also 1 and c equal to also 1. So d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 1 square minus 4ac, a and minus 3a and minus 4 equal to minus 3. That is also less than 0. That is also less than 0. A that is also less than 0. D is equal to less than 0. Here y is equal to a is a leading coefficient. A is a leading coefficient and this is also greater than 0 because its mouth is in outside. And D we calculate here, this is also minus 3. This is also less than 0. This is also less than 0. A greater than 0 and D less than 0, so that y is always y equal to x square plus x plus 1. Y is always positive. Y is always positive for all value of x. x के सभी मान के लिए जो है y का मान क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव होगा. So that x belongs to R. This is our answer. Next. Now second problem, x square plus 4x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. Here x square plus 4x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. It can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is in form of a plus b to the power whole square. It can also be written as yes, a square plus b square plus 2ab x plus 2 to the power 2. Yes, plus 2 to the power 2 greater than equal to 0. Since as we know that perfect square quantity is always positive, because if a quantity is negative then square is also positive, so that this is always positive. This is always positive. It means that x belongs to R. This is our correct answer. Either trace it x is equal to minus 2. This is x is equal to जो है माइनस x plus 2 के स्क्वायर greater than 0, and we trace it minus 2 this is equal to 0, that is here y equal to 0. If you put x equal to minus 2, that is y equal to 0. Here this is vertex of parabola. Now next problem. Now question third. X square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 less than equal to 0. Third question, y equal to this x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 less than equal to 0. Denominator never be 0. It cannot be equal to the 0. Now trace this. As you know that first of all we change this quantity, factorize this x square minus 3x plus 2. Here 2 into 2, and you divide two parts, that sum is 3. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2, because 2x minus x, that is minus 3x, no change the expression. Now we take common in this x, here x minus 2, and here minus, then minus 1, we take minus 1 here, x minus 2. If you multiply this is minus and this is positive, and so that x minus 2, x minus 1. We convert this y equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. It can replace by x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 less than equal to 0. For solving this, as you know that h factor equal to 0, we take the value of x here. We take a line 0, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and so on. Now we see that this is minus 1, 0. This is if x plus 1, x equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 equal to 0, to x equal to minus 1. This is minus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Now we take less than 0. In this case we take the negative portions. Now this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. Here this is not present. Now we take in the less than, take the negative parts. Negative part is also here, so that this take this point to this point, and another part, this negative part, this part. Now x belong to -1 and -1 close interval -1 and 0 -1 and 0 union this 1 to 2. It means that the value of x belong to -1 0 union 1 minus 2. This is our answer. Union means is such type of problem we study in the set theory, like if a equal to 1 to 5 and b equal to 3 5 7. In this case a union b that is the element 1 2 3 5 and 7. If you calculate a intersection b, that element having common in both, here 1 here not, only 5 and such type of problem we study in the set theory. जो है we study in the set theory. Here a, here a. Now here type 2 inequality. Before it we solve the type 1 inequality, but here we study about type 2 inequality having repeated linear factor. Repeated, that is x minus 1, x minus 2 के power 2, x minus 3 के power 3. This is a repeated term. X minus 2 repeat 2 times, x minus 3 repeat 2 times, and solve such type of inequality solution. First of all, now this inequality x minus 1 to the power x minus 1 and here now solution x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2 के power 2, x minus 3 के power 2 greater than equal to 0. Now we equate the h factors equal to 0 and we get the value of x. Here this is line and x is equal to 1, x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. But inequality having repeated linear factors, if linear factor repeated, in this case we attend here if power of factor is odd, that is a power of factor is x minus 3 के power 3, power 3 है here is 3. If power of factor is odd, change the sign of inequality, but if the power of factor is even, sign remain same, and in this case we cannot change the sign, but x minus 3, this is a or we change the inequality, like this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, and this is negative, but x minus 3, that is odd, so that we change this is negative and this is positive part, and this is what? This is a positive part. Now in case of greater than, we take the positive value, greater than, we take the positive value, so that x belongs, that is a positive, minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1, and this is positive, union 3 to plus infinity, 3 to where? Plus infinity. It means that x belongs minus infinity to 1, union 3 infinity, and this is a point 2. Also we take this point, so that 2 is also take. This is our answer. This is a value of x belong to this. Now another problem, find the number of integers, such as find the inequality x minus 1 to the power 2, x plus 1, and x minus 4 to the power 3 less than 0. Now we solve this. X minus 1 के power 2, x plus 1, x minus 4 के power 3 less than 0. In this case, now first of all we equate the x factors. We get value of x here. This is line, and here x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. This is 1. X plus 1 equal to 0. This is minus 1. Now this is 1 and this is minus 1. Take this is minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. X minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and we take here x is equal to 4. We take here x is equal to 4. This is a positive, this is negative. This is positive and this is negative, but here we check x minus 1 to the power 2. This is even. If power of factor is even, sign remain same, अर्थात no change the positive and negative. But if power of factor is odd, this is odd, so that this is positive, this is negative, this change. Here is negative part and here is the positive part, and this is less than we take the, in this case we take the negative part. In this case we take the negative part, this and this, so that x belongs to minus 1 to 1. X belongs to minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. And union minus 1 to 1 and union here 1 to 4. Here 1 to 4. Now we 1 to 4 and this point it is subtract x belongs to minus 1 to 4, minus 1 to 4, subtract 1, subtract 1, accept this. It means that x equal to what? Minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, but here 1 is subtracted. Here 1 is subtracted. One is subtracted, so that x equal to 0, 2, and 3. X equal to 0, 2, and 3. 4x plus 5. Now solve it. X square minus 5x plus 12 divided by x square minus 4x plus 5 greater than 3. In this case, we change the expression one side to other side. For the convenience, we change 3 to this side, and this is positive here, negative, and inequality is same. Now, x square minus 5x plus 12 and 3 multiply this 3x square and 3 4 plus minus plus 12x and 3 5 is 15 divided by this x square minus 4x plus 5 greater than 0. Now x square minus 3x square, that is minus 2x square minus 5x plus 12x plus 7x and plus 12 and minus 15 minus 3 divided by x square minus 4x plus 5 greater than 0. Now here denominator x square minus 4x plus 5, x square minus 4x plus 5, we calculate the indiscriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b equal to minus 4 chi square minus 4ac, that is 16 minus 20 minus 4, so that d less than 0. D less than 0, it means that d negative, and so that we this minus this due to this becomes negative, so that this is 2x square minus 7x plus minus 3 less than negative part, so that it is greater than 0. Now it is less than 0 and this. Now we 2x square minus 7x, 2x square minus 7x plus 3, 2x square minus 7x plus 3, 3 to the 6, 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3, and factorize it. 2x, here x minus 3 minus 1, x minus 3. Now x minus 3, here 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Factor of this is x minus 3 and 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 4x plus 5. This is also 0, so that 2x minus 1 and x minus 3 less than 0. In this case, less than, in this case we take the negative part. Now 2x minus 1 equal to 0, it means that x is equal to half. 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to what? 1 by 2. So half, and x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3, and plus minus plus, so that the value of x belongs to half and 3. This is our answer. Now like and subscribe of my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.